In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave, manage, and interact with comments efficiently in your document. This skill is incredibly handy, whether you're collaborating with coworkers, giving feedback on a team project, or simply organizing your thoughts. Let's dive in and explore this process step by step to make sure you can do it with ease. First, let's identify where you'd like to place your comment. This could be a section of text, an image that highlights your point, or a specific location within your document that you want to discuss or annotate. It's important to carefully select the text or object to ensure your comment is directly related to the content in question. This precision can help in maintaining clarity, especially in collaborative settings where precise feedback is crucial. Once you've pinpointed the right spot, it's time to add your comment. Look towards the toolbar at the top of your screen. You should find an icon that looks like a speech bubble with a small plus sign. This is your comment icon, ready for action. Click on it, and a comment box will appear on the right side of your document. Alternatively, if you prefer using menus, navigate to Insert and then choose Comment to achieve the same result. Now, with the comment box open, type out your thoughts or feedback clearly and concisely. You want your comments to be informative, but not overly verbose. If you're working in a collaborative environment and there's someone specific you'd like to address, you can tag them directly. Simply type the @ symbol followed by their name or email address, and the system will notify the person you tagged, drawing their attention directly to your comment. This is a great way to prompt colleagues for discussion or input without interrupting their workflow. Once your comment is complete, click the comment button within the box to post it. If you have tagged someone, they will receive a notification, bringing your comment to their immediate attention. This seamless notification system ensures quick and efficient communication and collaboration. If you're on the receiving end, interacting with a comment is straightforward. To reply, simply click on the comment in the margin, and you'll see a reply field ready for your response. This keeps the conversation organized and easy to follow within the document. Should you need to make adjustments, perhaps to clarify your message or retract it, click on the 3 dots in the comment box to find options to edit or delete your comment. Finally, once an issue is addressed or discussion has concluded, you can resolve the comment. Click the Resolve button and the comment will disappear from the margin, keeping your document tidy and focused. By mastering these steps, you ensure that your document remains an effective tool for collaboration and communication. Happy commenting!